County in southeast New York until 5:15 p.m. At 3:15 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated flash flooding from a complex of thunderstorms over the warned area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, highways and underpasses. Additionally, country roads and farmlands along the banks of creeks, streams and other low-lying areas are subject to flooding. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. The water depth may be too great to allow your car to cross safely. Move to higher ground. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following county: Orange County, New York.